Hey, what's up you guys? It's your gamer girl here, Emma Shaw. I got my 100 Thieves jersey on. No, I didn't steal this from Chase. This is definitely authentic. I'm on the team. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to kill a zombie horde in Days Gone. If you don't know what Days Gone is, it's a PS4 exclusive zombie game, open world, but the difference between this one, because, you know, lots of the zombie games are the same, these things called hordes. They can just have like hundreds of zombies in them, which normally in video games, you know, you're dealing with like 15, 20, 30 enemies at one time. This one has a lot. So today I picked not only any zombie horde, but the biggest zombie horde in this game. I can't get exact numbers, but I read on Reddit somewhere that it was like 700 zombies. I don't know if that's real. Don't fact check me on that. I'm gonna show you how a gamer girl takes on a 700 zombie horde in Days Gone. So shall we get started? All right, we're recording, I hope. I will say on our drive to the zombie horde together, I'm scared. It's not what I was gonna say, but just want to make sure it's known. I did spend all day today trying to gather supplies to make like the napalms and just different stuff to explode these zombies and try and kill them. And it's all day and I still don't have max inventory on everything that I need, but I am sick of gathering supplies and avoiding this. So we're not. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I was just gonna say if I had to pick like a thing about the game that, oh my god, we're already here. No. If I didn't like, it would be that. God, I'm so scared. Okay, so I've watched one video on this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. They look really scary and really complicated, and man, things I do for YouTube. I shouldn't be scared, it's a video game. So you guys can probably hear them too. I wish I couldn't. This guy got in a certain way somehow. Oh my god, do you see them? It's okay. We're just gonna sneak. Oh my god, no, you guys weren't supposed to see me yet. You weren't supposed to see me yet. Okay, a tractor. Drop it. How do you think I'm doing, babe? What? I'm a gamer girl. No, honestly, at this point, I just want to be dead. Do you see how many zombies are up there? I meant to use a napalm and I used a fucking Molotov. Guys, okay, you know what? We got a quarter of the horde gone. I'm just gonna point that out to you guys. We're killing it. I'm so scared. Oh my god, if you can see how many zombies are behind us. It's okay. We're gonna try this one more time. We're gonna throw the attractor, remember? We're gonna get that napalm. Yep, it's right there. I'm not scared. Can I jump on here? I think I can. Okay, if I can just get back to where I started. Stamina depleted, that's fine. I don't know. I haven't even killed half of the horde yet. Where were all of them at in the beginning? And that's how a gamer girl does it. I see, I see. You went right here. Okay, now we're gonna do this. You guys ready? This is gonna be really scary. That might have been the stupidest thing I've ever done. Gamer girl, we got it. That method can suck my ass. It doesn't work. At least it brought me closer this time. I don't have to fucking run that far. I hate this. This is so scary and hard. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, fucking rock will help me. Yeah. The thing is, you guys need to pretend you're not scared. And if you pretend like you're not scared, you won't be. And then you light yourself on fire. Hi.
Squeeze through here.
I'm fine. I'm having a good time. I like this. Zombies are behind me. Are you fucking kidding me? This is a joke. I'm about to run. I can't run that way. Really? Yep, let's walk. Don't I have mines? No, I need... Why did I do that? What? I don't know. In my defense, you haven't told me anything else to do. Do they know where I am?
Yeah.
No, they don't. I lost them. I didn't. Oh, I saw him do this in my thing. Not that his advice has been any help to me. Really? I lost him again? No fucking run! Are they chasing me? Are you guys chasing me? I'm right here. Come on. Oh god. I'm okay. I'm actually shaking. Oh my god. My heart's racing. I'm okay. It's just a video game. It's a video game. It's just a tree in my way. I'm fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is fine. I'm fine. Oh, fuck me. Okay, I'm literally trying. Hello? Pipe bomb. Not that.
Ah, shit, more of them.
I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, this is like the farthest I've ever gotten. They're halfway done. Oh my god, the adrenaline. The fucking adrenaline, man. It's fucking real. Okay, you want to use this? It's gonna be fun. Fuck! Fuck! Jump! That might have just fucked me. I thought I just used this fucking stamina cocktail. What? I'm shaking. I can do it. I can do it, you guys. I can do it. We're still going. I don't know how. Focus cocktail. Focus cocktail. Later. Later. We'll use it later. It's okay. We were gonna swing instead. Hardest I've ever made it. I don't want to lose it. I think if I can do that again, we might make it. Run! I'm so scared. I can do it. I'm a gamer girl. Oh, nice. I'm almost out of ammo. That's okay. I don't need ammo. Oh, hi! Hi! Remember when I said I was almost out of ammo? I meant I was. It meant I was out of it. Oh, okay. I thought I switched out of my sniper, but apparently not. Maybe now I can finally... Nope. Can you just fucking go to my grenade? Oh my god. There's still so many left. I'm so scared. Okay. I can do it. Is this repetitive yet? It's just interesting because they leave these supplies around like you'd be able to grab them. You can't. This is my last one. Ha, I got the roll. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna have to do. Oh, hi. Okay, there's still a lot of you. Okay, so we're gonna do the thing where we get here, and then we're going to take a focus cocktail. And we're just going to get ready. That really foiled my plan. Top 10, literally have like one bullet left. Fuck, I don't know what to do. Fuck. Okay. Okay. What would a gamer girl do? She would grab this shit to make a pipe bomb. Thank the Lord. Okay. This is okay because I'm next to my bike and my bike has more ammo in it. This is good. Done, guys, and it's nighttime, which means that other zombies are gonna come out. Yes, we love that. We love other zombies coming out. Fuck it. It's like, it's spazzing. It's spazzing. Okay, come back to me. Come back to me, we're so close. There's like 5 more zombies. Oh my god. Hi. Yep, aim, come on, here we go. Thank you. Was that it? I did it. Alright, you guys, no deaths.
0 deaths.
0 deaths. I did it. I killed the Horde. Oh my god, I'm shaking so bad. That was so scary. Oh, he did it. Okay, I'm gonna finish this mission now. If you guys like this, there's like 40 hordes in this thing. That was the biggest one. So like I've already done the baddest, the biggest, baddest one. Okay, I did it. Oh, that was so scary. Well, I love you guys so much. If you like this video, make sure to press like and make sure to comment and make sure to subscribe if you like these types of videos. I learned how to record on the PlayStation and I could probably figure out the Xbox so I could do them on other games. Comment down below games. I can be a gamer girl, okay? I'm getting better. Like I said, I know I've been like saying I'm a gamer girl. I know I'm not the best, but like I'm not that bad. Maybe, I don't know. All right, I love you guys. By the way, I'm having like not allergies, but the glue from my eyelashes is irritating my eyes. That's why they're so red. I promise you I'm not blazed out of my mind. I would say if I was. I love you. Good night. I'm gonna finish this. I'm so fucking proud of myself. Go Emrys. Like this if you think I did a good job. Or don't. All right, I love you guys. Good night.